In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Fusion 360 error logging in problem quickly and easily. This issue usually appears when Fusion 360 cannot properly authenticate your Autodesk account or connect to Autodesk's online services. When that happens, you might see an error message during login, or Fusion 360 may simply refuse to sign you in at all. The good news is that this problem is usually caused by simple things like network issues, expired login sessions, or temporary Autodesk service outages. In most cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes. I'm going to walk you through several proven fixes step by step so you can get back to designing without frustration. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful software tutorials like this. Alright, let's start. Let's start with the first fix. The first thing you should check is your internet connection. Fusion 360 requires a stable internet connection in order to authenticate your Autodesk account and verify your license. If your connection is unstable, slow, or temporarily disconnected, Fusion may fail to log in. Open your web browser and try loading a few websites to confirm that your internet is working normally. If pages are loading slowly or not at all, try restarting your router or switching to a different network if possible. Once your internet connection is stable again, open Fusion 360 and attempt to log in. The second fix is to sign out and then sign back into your Autodesk account. Sometimes Fusion keeps an expired or corrupted login session stored in the application, which prevents proper authentication. To fix this, open Fusion 360 and go to the Profile menu where your Autodesk account appears. Sign out of the account completely. After signing out, close the login window and then sign in again using your Autodesk email and password. Refreshing the login session like this often resolves the error immediately. Next, try restarting Fusion 360. This may sound simple, but restarting the application can clear temporary glitches that interfere with the login process. Close Fusion completely and make sure it is not still running in the background. If necessary, check your task manager and confirm the application is fully closed. Then reopen Fusion 360 and try signing in again. A clean restart frequently fixes temporary authentication problems. If the problem continues, the next step is clearing the Fusion 360 cache. Over time, temporary files stored by the application can become corrupted and cause login or connection problems. First, close Fusion 360 completely, then locate the Fusion 360 temporary cache folder on your system and delete the cache files inside that folder. After clearing the cache, reopen Fusion 360 and sign in again. Removing these temporary files forces the software to rebuild fresh data and often resolves login errors. Another important thing to check is the Autodesk service status. Sometimes the problem is not on your computer at all. If Autodesk servers are temporarily down or experiencing issues, Fusion 360 will not be able to authenticate your account. You can check the Autodesk service status page online to see if there are any outages affecting Fusion 360 or Autodesk account services. If there is an outage, the only solution is to wait until Autodesk restores the service. You should also try disabling your VPN or firewall temporarily. Some VPN services or strict firewall settings can block Fusion 360 from connecting to Autodesk authentication servers. If you are using a VPN, disconnect it and try logging in again. If you have firewall or security software enabled, temporarily disable it to test whether it is blocking the connection. If Fusion logs in successfully after disabling these tools, you may need to whitelist Fusion 360 inside your firewall settings. Here's a quick tip to remember. Most Fusion 360 login errors happen because of network problems, expired login sessions, or temporary server issues. Because of that, the simplest fixes like reconnecting your internet or signing out and signing back in often solve the problem right away. And that's how to fix the Fusion 360 error logging in problem. If this video helped you solve the issue, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.